Hi friends, my name is Rohan Bharath Chandra. Today's video is stocks, gold, real estate, for profits, stocks are the best. In spite of the correction in markets in the last few months, stock markets has been the best asset class in 2024. As per a study by moneycontrol.com, they have compiled returns of different asset classes since 2014 to see how each asset class performed. Asset class performance if rupees 1 lakh invested in the beginning of each year. 2014, the calendar year 2014, equity, which is considered as Nifty 500, the top 500 stocks in the country, and that has grown to 1,39,300. Debt is considered as a bond index, it's not just the bank FD, and that has gone to 1,14,300. Gold 1 lakh investment has become 1,08,000 only, and real estate is as per All India House Price Index calculated by RBI, that is 1,16,900 for an investment of 1 lakh. 2015 equity was almost 1,02,000 only, debt 1,08,600, gold 92,200, so it has fallen below the investment amount. Real estate 1,09,700. 2016 1,05,100 for the equity, debt 1,12,900, gold 1,10,700, and real estate 1,08,300. 2017 1,37,700 for equity, debt 1,04,700, gold 1,02,900, real estate 1,07,200. 2018 97,900 for equity, so it has fallen below the investment of 1 lakh. Debt 1,05,900, gold 1,06,900, real estate 1,05,100. 2019 1,08,900 for equity, debt 1,10,700, gold 1,22,900, real estate 1,02,900. 2020, 21, 22, the figures are in the table. I am not going to read it out. You can maybe pause it and see the figures. 2023 1,26,900 for equity, debt 1,07,300, gold 1,12,700, real estate 1,03,800. 2024, so far, last few days are still left in 2024. Equity is 1,21,300, debt 1,08,800, gold 1,20,700, and real estate 1,02,700. The Reserve Bank of India publishes a quarterly house price index for 10 major cities in India: Ahmedabad, Bengaluru, Chennai, Delhi, Jaipur, Kanpur, Kochi, Kolkata, Lucknow, and Mumbai. So the real estate figures have been considered from the RBI report. In smaller cities, the real estate returns could be higher than large cities. If you observe the table, equity has been the best performing asset class in 4 out of 10 years excluding 2024. Gold was the best performing asset class in 4 years out of 10 years. And the remaining 2 years, real estate was good in 1 year and debt was the best performer in 1 year. So the total is last 10 years and 2024 not considered yet because the year is still not over. In spite of equity and gold being best performers for equal number of years, the overall returns from equity was much higher due to the outperformance of equity in the year it had done very well. For example, in 2023, 1 lakh in equity in the beginning of the year was 1,26,900 by the end of the year, compared to next best gold, which was 1,12,700. So when it is outperforming in a very large way, and that is why equity returns are more than gold returns. So there is a significant difference when equity did well. Usually, returns from debt instruments is stable and gold performs almost the opposite of equity. So when we have some exposure to all three asset classes, the volatility in our overall portfolio will be lesser. However, having too much debt or gold can also impact the returns in the long term. If you cannot bear high volatility of equity, then experts suggest this is excluding the money in your own house, then equity has to be 60%, debt 40%, or equity 60%, gold 30%, and debt 10%. Please note that equity could be a combination of stocks and mutual funds and it need not be completely stocks. If you are mentally tough and can face your equity portfolio falling by 30 to 40%, then you can have higher exposure to equity in your overall asset allocation. For example, it could be equity 70%, debt 30%, or equity can be 70%, debt and gold in a combination which you are comfortable in. So it could be any combination, but equity will be 70% in this particular situation. This is why financial management is personal to each person depending on their risk appetite. You should not blindly follow what others are doing since their age, income, expenses, and family situation may be different. When your goals such as children education, children marriage, or retirement are around 1 to 2 years away, you can reduce the exposure to equity for the amount you will require for that goal. This will help in having less volatility in the overall portfolio when we need to withdraw money. Many times, to our bad luck, markets may fall heavily when we need money for some important purpose. To avoid such a situation, the best idea is to sell some equity if required some months before to fund the goal such as children education. If you like this video, please click the like button and mention in the comment section what are the goals for which you are investing in stocks and mutual funds. Type 1 or 2 major goals. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please click the subscribe button and bell icon. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye and all the best.